Smart homes in its current form are a little messy. Customers need to make decisions over which devices work for their home based on which assistant and ecosystem they are already using. It is the equivalent of being trapped into a music streaming platform because of your built-up library. This is one of the reasons why there is high return rate for smart home devices, and this in turn hurts the manufacturer too. This messiness extends to smart home developers too. Developing a smart home device today that works across major consumer ecosystems is hard. It is like building the same system multiple times over and keeping up with each ecosystem's updates. This all adds up to a lot of time, effort, and cost for developers just to get and keep products connected. The Matter protocol is developed specifically to solve these problems. The goal of Matter is to unify the IoT industry by providing interoperability protocol and standard data models that ensure smart home devices can work across different ecosystems. So, an Amazon Echo Show should be able to communicate with the Samsung SmartThing or a Google Nest doorbell without any setup. Matter has been successful in doing so, as literally every major company on the planet is agreeing to use the Matter protocol. It is very rare to see Google, Amazon, and Apple working together for once. Now that we understand the need of the Matter protocol for connected devices, let's dive a little deeper into the protocol. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be releasing tutorials for hands-on implementation of Matter on ESP32 boards in the coming weeks. The three core tenets of Matter protocol are security, reliability, and seamless usage. Let's look at how each tenet is achieved. 1. Seamless usage. Consumers have to just purchase Matter certified products from any manufacturers, and they can be assured that it will work with any ecosystem. Every Matter certified product will have this symbol. Furthermore, setting up and commissioning a Matter certified product is uniform and straightforward across ecosystems. Every Matter device is commissioned by a Matter controller device over BLE. Once commissioned and Wi-Fi or thread credentials are passed over securely to the Matter device, it automatically joins the Matter network in your smart home. It is to be noted that Matter will initially support only local Wi-Fi and thread for core communications and Bluetooth Low Energy to simplify device commissioning and setup. So now you might be asking, what about support for other existing protocols like Zigbee or any new protocols that might come in the future? Well, Matter has you covered. Matter supports bridges which enable manufacturers to build Matter-compliant bridges to other protocols and allows the Matter network and devices to interact with devices using those other protocols. Furthermore, on top of all this flexibility, Matter devices can still connect to the manufacturer's cloud service to provide added value, support, analytics, and other features. All these make using Matter devices seamless. 2. Reliability. The Matter protocol is maintained and updated by many companies, and as it is open source, developers are able to write reliable code. Furthermore, Matter devices can work even without internet connectivity. As Matter is built upon the widely used internet protocol, Matter will enable communication across smart home devices, mobile apps, and cloud services, and define a specific set of IP-based networking technologies for device certification, making it all the more reliable. The reliability aspect is further extended by the multi-admin feature. Users can connect Matter products to multiple ecosystems locally, securely, and even simultaneously. Another key aspect that improves reliability is the ability for devices to do device-to-device automation across different products. 3. Security. Matter ensures security and privacy through AES 128-bit encryption to protect against cyber attacks. It even supports seamless over-the-air software update for security patches. This ensures that all devices have the latest and the safest software. 7 powerful security techniques are used across all Matter devices, and they are A. Validation of device authenticity and certification. B. User consent to add the device to the local network. C. Configuring local device identity. D. Configuring control rules for access control for different users in-house. E. Encrypted communications. F. Privacy controls. G. Secure software updates. We have come to the end of the video, and you can like and share the video if you found it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Chip in Detail for more such videos.